Tomorrow we have an emergency. This is an emergency test that will be announced on UK mobile and tablet devices. So if you've got a 4G, 5G signal and a phone that's recent in the last 3, 4, 5 years, or even a tablet, you will see a government test emergency alert. There is no panic, it's just a test. And it's going to happen at 3 in the afternoon. So that's 3 British summertime tomorrow. If you have any questions, drop us a comment below. This is just a quick announcement so you don't get alarmed while your phone or tablet makes a noise randomly that sounds like a siren. And it will happen on Android and iPhone devices, as well as tablets and iPads as well. So just to repeat, 3 o'clock on Sunday, 23 April 2023. This will appear as a notification. You may hear a siren noise. Now, why is this happening? Because the government want to make it easy for us to find out if there's an emergency in your area, whether it's a natural disaster, a threat from another country, or some other scenario, like there could be, emergency services that need to get from one destination to another, and it could just alert all drivers that please move to the side. There's going to be a few fire trucks or ambulances, etc., that need to squeeze through. Time is of the essence, whether it's an emergency, whether it's somebody's life, or some other reason. So this is just a test tomorrow, but the system is going to be live later on, and it is already in use in America, in Japan, and even the Netherlands. Now, I could be wrong, but there could be other countries as well, but the system has been around. It has helped save people's lives, so it is something that could be of use. Now, one final question is, can I turn off these alerts? Yes, you can turn it off. You just go into settings and look up emergency alert. It might come under another name. Just look up, start with the word emergency, just like when you look for COVID, when we had COVID tracking, you could potentially turn this off, but would we advise you to turn it off? Not necessarily. And will it work on older devices? Maybe not, but with older devices, they could use text messaging or an alert via a third-party app. And will it work if you've got your mode on aeroplane mode? No. If you've got no Wi-Fi or mobile signal, then unlikely. Will it work if you're abroad? Or if you've got Wi-Fi and you've got Wi-Fi calling, which is the ability to make and receive mobile calls when you're in another location with no mobile signal, then yes, you could potentially get this alert as well. There are other scenarios where you would get this alert, but if you think just turning your phone on silent will get rid of this, it's unlikely to do so. It's whether you opt out of this system. By default, everyone is opted in. So if you have any questions, drop us a message below. This is just a quick announcement, unplanned, but we needed to get this emergency alert notification out to everyone. Thank you and have a great day.